want to talk about the importance of knowing how to use certain tools because, like, I remember the last time I got a gig, and that was after when I registered for a trial too, and that trial was to last for 14 days. And I've been postponing about learning that particular tool. So upon learning it and having the screenshot as an evidence in case any client will need it, and to my surprise, my next gig that came in was as a result of that. So we were having back our fourth question, the client asking me, can I actually use this tool? And I said yes. And he asked some question concerning that, and I gave and I delivered, and that was it. And I made around 800, those for just that. And it's not really like what I do on a daily basis. So that tells you that sometimes when you see apps that are on free trial, it is an advantage for you to learn how to use them. And it's not like you learning like 10 tools at the same time. When you finish with one, then you move on to another one. Because in this remote work of a thing, you never can tell where your next gig is coming from. And I'm that kind of person that I really do not like to box myself into one thing. If I can actually do one thing and if I can do another thing, like do another task for a client, then I voice out and say, okay, I can do this as well. That makes you valuable. So it's not like they employ you for one thing and that is the only thing you know how to do. You don't know how to do any other thing. Because most times when I even see job descriptions, if you see the clients display kind of saying all the things that they want the person to do for them. And if you can count, some are even up to 8, 10. So imagine you just knowing how to use only one tool. Like like out of the 10 that I mentioned, those activities are going to help him perform, and all you can do is just two out of it. So that already disqualifies you. But if you can do like 70 to 60 to 70% out of all those activities, then you are good to go and you can also apply for that role. I just feel like I need to clear the air and let you know that if you are in that position right now and you are learning a particular tool and you feel like, am I really going to need this? Am I going to use this in the long run? You never can tell. You just never can tell. But my own advice is, as you're learning that tool, make sure that you have the evidence, because when time comes, some clients go as far as asking you to let them see what you've built, what you have in place, what you've done with that particular tool. And sometimes when you even apply, that will be like a proof that you've actually done it and you know how to use it. So take advantage of free trial of some tools, learn it, go deeply. If you don't know how to use them, you can go to YouTube to learn how to use that and just type the name of the tool and it will help. I also have some tutorials on my channel that can help you in case if that is what I've talked about in the previously. So I just feel like this will help someone out there. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.